This is my last video for today. This one's gonna kick my week off. And with this is gonna be a markup video. So what's up, everybody? How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? As you know, my name is Slime. I go by Slime. You can call me Slime, this, that, and the next, all this good shit. You feel me? Now, first things first. We're gonna mark up NQ. We're gonna mark up US30. We're gonna mark up oil. We're gonna mark up gold. We're gonna mark up SPX. That's 5 different pairs. Let me give you the reason. We trade NQ because NQ is a big winner. So since we're trading NQ, we're gaining confidence. We're not too confident in trading NQ yet. I took a few months off NQ. So with that being said, that's a monster. I need to be able to have money to trade it. So for the time being, we're trading MNQ, but we're putting that on our list so we can be more fluent in that. Wins and losses, we're going to tug them out. Cool. Number 2, we're choosing US30 because that is our bread and butter. What that means is we've been trading US30 for a long time. Yes, we have. We will not stop trading US30. It's our bread and butter. That's what makes us our $500, $600, $700, $800 plus in one trade. This is where we make our big bag from until we get enough to trade NASDAQ stand easy. Feel me? Cool. Third is oil. So you can see these are in line with how I trade, what I trade. Oil is a sleeper pair. That means we don't look at oil first, but we take oil trades. We take oil trades because oil is $10 a tick. So when oil moves 50 to 100 ticks, we got to be in that. That's another big boy that moves just like 30. Why are we trading oil? So we can build patience, ladies and gentlemen. That's why we're trading 30. That's why we're trading oil, so we can build patience. That is something we lack. We lack it so much you don't even know how to spell that motherfucker properly. Cool. Fourth, now y'all know this used to be my baby. I used to trade this like there's no tomorrow, but as you can see, I just been marking it up, making sure my trades hit, and they have, and going from there. Had I been trading gold, I'd have been eating, but I had to stop because gold is finicky. You feel me? You can't trade gold every day, and when you can, you're supposed to trade at London session and New York combined, and I don't trade both. Well, so for the time being, I might switch back to gold because it does give setups when it do. So with that being said, I might trade the micro because it's $1 a tick. You feel me? Aim for like 80 to 100 ticks, get like $200-300 off that. You feel me? So yeah, we're gonna mark up gold. Basically gonna mark up everything and then SPX to kind of really gauge what happens with NAS and all of that. Feel me? So come on this ride with me, guys, to mark up. Now we kind of already have M and Q already marked up. So what we have is we have these daily highs right here. What I'm anticipating is we react off these daily highs and shoot up. And shoot down. I want price to come down. So for next week, I really want price to drop down from where it's at 1,500 ticks. I would like to be in this. So that's about 1,000 ticks. Feel me? So if we come here to the 68, we can't sell NAS until we get this break. Feel me? This break is a seller NAS. So now if we come to the 32, what we should do, draw this support up and put a line right here, drag this down here. So we don't break this low, we're buying. This is the neckline W to continue pushing up to break these highs and fly. But if we do break down low, we should be aiming for 19.1, realistically 19.1, 19.220. But for me, I want 19.183. That's where I'll be aiming. I want to see a significant retest before we continue pushing up past these daily highs. Feel me? Before we get in the 2000 areas. But if not, we can keep pushing up. So when I trade London, when I come to this chart 12, 1 o'clock, what I want to see is price came here and either rejected or continue pushing down. Once I know we break over here, we don't break, I'm looking for the buys on the 16. But if we do get down here and we do break, I'm looking for the break retest and a pattern somewhere here to confirm the sells. I'm aiming for 200 to 9,000, 200 to 1,000 ticks. Cool. Young Money, Cash Money, CMB, 30. What we looking for with that? So what we want to do is we want to come to our 16 chart because 32 is too big. Well, let's go to the 32 real quick and see. Never mind, I forgot. So we're reacting off of all of these right here. This is kind of finicky. What that mean is you can react off of these, you can react off of these, you can react off of these. This is the imbalance up here. But you have so much to react off of, but we're still in the uptrend. So with that being said, we're coming for this imbalance. That's what I see fit. Now, here was the range that we broke on a 32. To clean this up, the top of this range was never retested. Everything below here, besides this imbalance, is good. Now, the top of here is never retested, and the top of here was never retested, but these lows were. So what you want to do is drag your box, and you see these lows combine with these highs. So what I want to do is I want to put my box here on a 32. I want to mark up the whole 32 low. This is a W on the 32. So what does that say? We can be shooting higher. Break a structure as well. So I want to look here. Basically a retest of these highs on the 16 to continue shooting up. Come on the 8. I want to see a retest somewhere in here in this box. If we get that or a retest of these highs, come on the 410 or the 412. Let's go on the 412. 412 says right here. So that's how you pinpoint exactly where you want to find. So you come to the higher time frame, basically these highs. 8, come to the 16, basically these highs. So we get a retest, come into this, retest the neckline of the W. I would like to buy it up from here to here for 284 ticks. If not, break of these lows, if you really want to go, boom, it's your change of character right there. So we break these lows, we're selling. If we don't break these lows, we're buying. So buys on 30. I want to sell to a buy on NAS. Sell to a buy on NAS. We come to oil, slide to the 32, which is probably too high. Yep. But we're still bouncing off of these highs right here. These are higher time frame highs and lows. Let's go to the 16. It's kind of wonky on the 32. Oh, all right. Oh, I hit the 64 by mistake. So we come to the 16. What we got? Structure break right here. So we bring this box over. I already drew this up. It was on the last video I was explaining. Imbalance up here. So this was an imbalance right here. There's an imbalance up above. You want to mark that up. Price can go to that. Probably be the next target if we shoot up and break those highs. Till then, we're working with this resistance. Cool. Price came, rejected off of here. These are next highs I'd be working with. Come to the 16. Control C, Control V. You can mark up this right here. Boom. Control, oh, pressing buttons. Control V, and then mark up these right here. Now, change of character is down here, so you have all of this to play with. Feel me? These are your 16 lows. What you should be looking for is a neckline retest. We got the retest right here. This is an imbalance within the neckline. So we would like to see price to come into here. That should be our TP, and then see what price does around here. But if not, this is the next nearest area. Look, we bounced off of here, pushed up. So now these highs is our next highs. Go down to the 820 so we can see them a lot better. So now the highs are right here on the 820. Think it's the whole entire M marked up. Boom. Tapped into those highs, came down. So now, if we want to buy, we would love to see price come and grab this imbalance. Even though it hit the high, we would like for it to come pick these people up right here, wick this or do whatever before it shoots up. So yeah, this is sell structure. I would be looking for price to come here and don't break, and either buy from here or come here and don't break. This is optimal. This is good. A break above this is all right, and this is hell no. So optimal will take good. Any of these two, we're looking for price to bounce off of to continue buying. Structure is saying sells, but if we don't break these lows, like we're dangling here, we could just fall back down to buy back up. We can come possibly here. I would love this. I would love that. So, with that being said, we're looking for buys on oil. Or if we're going according to market structure, we're looking for sells to here or to here. Gold, 32. Damn. I haven't traded gold in so long, I haven't cleaned up the chart in a minute. I just got rid of the EMA by mistake. This should tell you how much I've been trading gold. Oh, okay. My food's pretty close. Alright, so check me out. With gold now, we just broke structure to the upside. So, what does that mean for everybody? These are your highs. and we just broke them. That means we should continue buying. We should be looking for price to retest 25 flat, or at best 25.30. 8. Come down to your 16 chart. Head and shoulders that has been rejected. This is a fake out. Bounced off these highs. If you want to clean it up, you can just come here and go bang. Now your stuff is more cleaned up. Broke these highs, bounced off of, shot through. Cool. You're waiting for price to either come here and bounce off these highs or bounce off this neckline to continue to buy up, because that structure. If this structure breaks, then according to market structure, you have to come as low as here. So draw that up. What does that line with? That aligns with these highs. Basically, all you do from there is you got two areas. Bounce off these highs or come to these imbalances, go from there. These are your lows. That was your range. We break up. Optimal trade, good trade, all right trade. Feel me? Cool. The last is SPX. Hop over to your 16. All right. Broke some highs. We just marked this up to combine it with NAS. So these are your highs right here. Optimal areas of interest. Imbalance here. Now you want to make a box like this. Drag it here. That's your low. Come to the 16. Slide over to the 8. Boom. Imbalance here. We need to retest. You have your highs right here. We kind of cracked it, and now we're rejecting. Now, we're bouncing off of here. I don't have the Lux algo on here, and I need to put it on, but I don't trade this enough. Feel me? Neckline retest to possibly shoot up higher. I don't have enough data on here to kind of tell y'all where it's going to shoot up, because like I said, I just really don't mark it up. But SPX is saying buys. Feel me? We're almost to some highs. There's an imbalance up above. Oh no, that's tapped. So we're just buying to buy. There's probably an imbalance up here somewhere. But for right now, that's our resistance or area of interest. Or we already in it. So that's the top of the box. This is the next best spot. So we'll see. It can keep buying up. For right now, you just need to wait for a rejection and see if it breaks these lows. If you trade SPX, but we already got NAS, 30, oil, and gold. So thank you. Looks like all buys. So except for oil, but oil is a long-term buy. Right now it's currently sell to buy. So we'll be looking for sells on oil. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.